In this video, I'm going to show you how to do owner distributions. So to do owner distributions, first make sure that all your accounting is up to date, which means that all tenant payments and all bills has been accounted for. Once that is done, you click accounting and you select the menu item owner funds. Then you select the first tab up here, which will always be selected by default, called owner distribution. And then you have two options. You can either add an owner distribution directly. You would do this if you know precisely how much you want to pay them, but the preferred approach is to use the calculate distribution. This will go through and see how much has been income, how much expenses, and how much will be paid out to the owner and take reserve into account. So once you click that button, you're presented with this. So you can select if I want to do owner distributions for all of my properties or only some of them. So if you, for example, only want to do for, in this case, my Diagon Estates portfolio, you can select that and say, hey, I want to only select for the Griffin building. But you can add as many as you want here. But in this case, let's just do it for all of our properties. You then click next. And what you see here is that we actually have 5 properties under this on this platform right now. But only one of them actually has 100% ownership assigned, which means that this building have no owners assigned. When there's no owners assigned, you can't do owner distributions because we don't know how much we should pay to each owner. The way that you define ownership is that you go to the property, in this case we can click OK, and we can say the Griffin building, and you up in this menu up here, you select owners, and here you can see what owners you have on this building and how much ownership percentage that they have. So for example, if you have one that has 60% and another one that's 40%, when we do the owner distribution now, we will split it out. So if there's $100 worth of distributions, one will get $60, the other will get 40. But let's go back here to accounting, owner funds, owner distribution, and calculate distribution. Again, all properties, and we select this one and click next. So now MagicDoor calculates how much we should, how much there is in owner distribution. So we can see here right now that this building currently has $5,260 available. There is a reserve of $350. So that means that we need to pay $4,900 and $910 out. So it suggests this for you, but you can change this if you want to. So for example, I can change this to $3,000 if I want to. That will now give you a warning down here that there's $4,900 available. You're going to distribute $3,000, which gives a remainder left of $1,910. Now you can also go over if you want to. It will then tell you, hey, you have over distributed by $90, but we won't stop you from doing it if this is what you want to do. But let's change it back to $4,910 and click next. So now here we calculate together like for each owner. So if there's if one owner owns multiple properties, we aggregate them together under each owner, and you can decide how that owner will be paid. So if there are multiple properties for the same owner, we will do one transaction for them to pay them what they need per bank account we pay out of. So you have an option here, like what payment account do you want to pay out of, and do you want to pay them manually, print check, or ACH. So manual means that you are going to do the transfer yourself. You're going to log into your Chase or Wells Fargo bank and start the transfer. Print check means that we will generate the document for you so you can print it out on check paper and you can hand a check over to the owner. Or ACH. In this case, we will actually transfer the money to the owner directly from the operational account. So this owner here have not set ACH up, so we can't do that. So in this case, I would select print check. You can see what description will be shown for the owner for the distribution. So now we can say we do one payment of $4,910. You can then click submit. And this gives you a confirmation. This is how much you want to pay. Yes. And give it a second. So now here you can see that it would actually give you a summary of all the transactions that happened. So you can see we have a check here. I can click this button and that will show up the check. it won't show because I'm sharing only the window. But it actually does open the print menu. We can just print the checks out. And if you have multiple owners, you can actually print all the checks out just with one go. Once you're done here, you can click close. And now you can see up here that we have a payment to Sirius Black of $4,910. And if you click on it here, you can get a little bit more information about how and when it was paid.